Hello. We are discussing a little bit about the concept of automation and different areas where automation is basically used. To start with, unfortunately today our coffee maker, our automated coffee maker is not working. It seems like I wanted to actually really test here to show you directly, but it seems it's not working today. It has a little problem, but as you can see, this is a place where I could put my card. You see this card? I could swap it here. It takes some money, and then it will actually give me coffee from this side, as you can see. So, unfortunately today, it is not functioning. But this is one device which uses principles of automation. So as you can see, this is a coffee machine which actually uses principles of automation. Another device that uses principles of automation is basically a dishwasher. So what you see here in front of me, this is a dishwasher. These are two dishwashers, and as you can see, if we want, for example, we could come and put our dishes if our dishes are dirty. So I'll have to open here. As you can see, the dirty dishes are inside, dirty coffee cups. And the way it is, it also operates automatically. If you close it and you turn on a certain kind of switch, it also uses the principles of automation, because there is actually inside it, or there is a device which is like a small computer which has a program which runs it. So if you press a button, it will run for a specified amount of time till when, let's say, the dishes are clean, it will end the process. So it's something that works also automatically. So it also uses the principles of automation in the process, a dishwasher. Now, to continue talking about these principles of automation, I want to take you on a little tour where we are going to start with the place where we have actually the lift is also one area where principles of automation are utilized. So let's go. I'll take you to the lift to see. So here is a lift. As you can see, this is a lift, and I'll be able to open the door, but to go upstairs I have to swap my card. Without swapping my card, it won't go. So as you can see, the door has opened. I'm getting in now, and you see it's red. It's showing red. So this is the detector. So I have to swap my card here, number one. So swap the card, you see it shows green, and now I can press where I want to go. I'm going to third floor. So now it's taking me upstairs. So this device, this is kind of a detector which detects my swapping card electronically. So it also has a small computer inside. Okay, here as well, there are many devices here actually which uses principles of automation. For example, as you can see here, there are equipment for fire detection. So the detectors usually uses the principles of automation. All the detectors for fire detection here, they are controlled automatically. So whenever there is fire, you don't need anyone to switch so that we hear the sound. It actually produces the sound automatically. So all these are examples of different things. As you can see, this detector, these are examples of different things which actually utilizes the principles of automation that you have seen. So many things, many devices in our daily lives are automated to make operations easy, to make things easier, as you can see. So I want to take you to a place where you can also again see the principles of automation and how they are utilized. For example, again, if I want access to get outside, for example, in this place, I cannot get outside. You see the door, the red actually, the door opener kind of the way it is that it's read. So if I don't have a card here, I cannot go outside. This device as well uses principles of automation. And if I swap, for example, I put my card, you see it turns to green and I can actually open the door like this and go outside. But without that, I don't want to go outside. It's cold now. All these equipments uses principles of automation in them. There are many devices. Even we talk about a printer like this, it utilizes principles of automation. As you can see a printer here, the printer uses principles of automation here. So as you can see, there is a menu. There are numbers here that you have to press. There are different buttons. It has kind of a microcontroller inside which controls all the operations. If you press a certain number, that is converted into a digital signal which actually means a certain function within the device. So there are many areas, many different equipments uses principles of automation. Let's see, for example, there is one room here which is actually a toilet where the lights are automated. Even these lights here are automated. So if we go after a while, they will actually go off. They will not stay on all the time. It only stays on when there are people walking around or passing. So for example, this is a toilet. I want to show you that as I open, you see it's dark. You can see. So you will see the intensity of light changing if I get it. So you see now, there is actually a detector. There is a small sensor. I can try to show you. You see this sensor on the left hand side of the light, where the light is, the white thing on the left hand side, the smaller one, that is basically a PIR sensor. So that sensor also, in it, there is a small, very tiny kind of microcontroller which actually enables it to function automatically. So all these are different operations which involves automation. These are various principles, or let's say various actions, various activities in our daily lives which basically involves automation. So as I mentioned, this is a fire alarm system, but this is a sounder which gives sound. If fire is detected, it doesn't need anyone to touch anything. It just gives sound automatically. All these are equipments and devices which actually uses automation to actually control different operations. So automation is actually very important. There are different machines that are run in our daily lives, and all these machines, all these equipments actually uses principles of automation, has small microcontrollers, has small computers within them, which enables them to function without requiring human intervention all the time. So you can put something on through automation, it can run within a specified amount of time. When that time is over, it turns off. This is all about automation, for you to have a better understanding. Thank you for watching.